Say goodbye to joint pain, the 16 bone and joint superfoods you're missing. Imagine moving through life with ease, without a single creak or groan from your knees or back. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if achieving that feeling was less about magic pills and more about what you put on your dinner plate? In this video, we're uncovering the surprisingly simple, yet incredibly powerful food choices that can rebuild your bones, soothe your joints, and give you back the freedom to move. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to eat your way to a stronger, more vibrant you. All right, let's talk about what you should be putting on your plate to keep those bones strong and your joints moving smoothly. First up, we've got the dairy section. 1. Cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? Right. It's made from animal milk, and most types are absolutely packed with calcium. But wait, there's more. Cheese also gives you a good dose of vitamin D, omega-3s, and even vitamin K2, all super important for building really strong bones. Just a quick tip, though. Cheese can be pretty high in calories and saturated fats, so enjoy it. But keep it in moderation to avoid too much cholesterol or gaining extra weight. 2. Milk. This one's a classic for a reason. Milk is a fantastic source of calcium, which is like the building block for your bones. In fact, a huge chunk of the calcium people get in their diet comes from milk and other dairy products. Plus, it's got that essential vitamin D that helps your body actually use all that calcium. Try to aim for at least 1 to 2 glasses a day to really boost your calcium intake. 3. Yogurt. This creamy, fermented treat is another winner. It's loaded with bone-friendly nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, protein, and potassium. These guys are especially great at helping to prevent osteoporosis. We recommend about 100 to 250 grams a day. That's roughly 1 to 2 small containers. Just don't go overboard, or you might end up feeling a bit bloated. Now, let's dive into the amazing world of plants that support your joints. 1. Leafy green veggies. Think spinach, kale, bok choy. These dark, leafy greens are absolute powerhouses. They're bursting with vitamin K and other vital nutrients that not only help your bones grow strong, but also protect them from wearing down. 2. Colorful veggies. Brighten up your plate with tomatoes, carrots, and bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are rich in vitamins A and C, plus powerful antioxidants. What do? They act like little shields, protecting your bone cells and joints from damage and fighting off those degenerative processes. 3. Soy products. Soybeans contain something called isoflavones, and these have awesome anti-inflammatory properties. This means they can help prevent or even ease the symptoms of arthritis. You can easily get these from soy milk, tofu, or soy powder. 4. Whole grains. Brown rice, oats, quinoa. These aren't just filling, they're nutrient-dense superstars. They bring a good amount of calcium to the table, making your bones strong. Plus, they're super versatile. Use them for baking, porridges, or even make your own grain milk. 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, cashews, peanuts, walnuts. These little powerhouses are fantastic for your bones and joints because they're rich in phosphorus and magnesium. Magnesium helps your body absorb and hold on to calcium in your bones, while phosphorus is a key ingredient that actually boosts the mechanical strength of your bone structure. Snack on them. Add them to smoothies, or try making nut milks. 6. Fruits. Don't underestimate the power of fruit. Bananas, grapes, papaya, grapefruit, lemons, avocados. They're all packed with bone-friendly nutrients. Bananas, for example, are rich in tryptophan, serotonin, and high in potassium, which helps prevent calcium loss from your body. And dark grapes, blueberries, and strawberries, they contain rutin and quercetin. compounds that can actually increase bone density and help with that annoying joint pain from conditions like arthritis. 7. Berries. Those familiar berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are loaded with antioxidants like carotenoids and anthocyanins. What's cool about these is they effectively clear out harmful free radicals that cause inflammation, which is super helpful if you're dealing with arthritis. 8. Mushrooms. These earthy delights are a great source of ergothioneine, a powerful antioxidant, and vitamin D. Both of these boost your bone health and can help prevent your joints from degenerating. Stir-fry them. Add them to soups, or even make mushroom floss to enjoy with your rice. 9. Ginger. This common spice isn't just for flavor, it's fantastic for joint health. Eating ginger regularly can actually help reduce knee pain. It contains compounds that work to stop the production of those inflammation-causing substances that lead to arthritis. You can enjoy it in ginger tea, use fresh ginger in your cooking, or even sprinkle on some ginger powder. And finally, some other essential contributors to your bone and joint well-being. 1. Fatty fish. Think salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring. These fish are swimming in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. Both are absolutely crucial for your bones and joints. Those omega-3s are amazing anti-inflammatories, which can significantly reduce arthritis symptoms or even help prevent the condition entirely. 2. Eggs. Don't skip the eggs. They're packed with essential nutrients for both your bones and overall health. You get protein, calcium, healthy fats, and vitamin D, plus they're high in protein but relatively low in calories, helping you manage your weight and reduce the risk of obesity. 3. Meat lean. Lean meats, especially beef, are a good source of protein. This is super important for bone repair, especially if you've had a fracture. Eating a moderate amount of meat can actually increase your bone mineral density and lower your risk of breaks. 4. Water. This one might seem obvious, but it's often overlooked. Water is a crucial part of your joint cartilage. Drinking enough water helps flush out toxins from your body, and that directly contributes to healthier, happier joints. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to the foods that can truly make a difference for your bones and joints. Which of these are you already eating regularly, and which ones are you excited to add to your diet? Let me know in the comments below.